All right, what's up, everybody? My name's Winston, and this is just a short bit on something that I've implemented in my business that I kind of stumbled upon. It's a little bit of an insider secret, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So before we get going, do us a favor. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel here. It would be huge because we want to make sure that you get this information. So when you subscribe, you're going to get notified when we put videos up, and we put videos up every single week. So let's jump in. Leveraging a quarterly theme. That's what I stumbled upon months back. I was looking for ways to build better culture, and I think I had read in a book or I watched a video. I got it from somewhere, a nugget about having a theme every quarter. And I had heard about stuff like this before, like just individually, like having a word for the year or a word for the month that is your theme. It's kind of what you rally behind. And so what I did was I started implementing this back in October of 2021, so Q4. And I think the very first quarter that I did this, I came up with the quarterly theme called Big Mo. And it was all about momentum. I didn't really know what I was doing. Every week we would do a staff meeting, and part of the staff meeting was me training and talking about momentum and all different aspects. What I realized was that, one, I had to come every week with I had to prepare. I had to have notes. I had to learn and study about this stuff. And so it made me more equipped, which is a big, huge positive, right? Ding. And then two, my team was getting all of this information. And so it's now like one of my best weapons in my business. It's some of the foundational stuff that builds our culture is our weekly staff meetings that's based around the quarterly theme. And it's how we continue to keep our business so it doesn't go stale. We're always learning something new. So after Q4, Q1 of 2022, I did Power Moves. That was the name of our theme, Power Moves. And it was all about taking massive action. Awesome. It blew up our business up. And then the next quarter in Q2, which we just finished up from the time me recording this, our quarterly theme was based around going the extra mile. And more than just taking action, it was about how do I squeeze one more rep in? How do I go just a little bit further so I get results of the 1% of the 1%? And again, massive return on the business. Awesome. The theme that we're doing this quarter, and I'm just sharing this stuff to give you ideas, and I'll give you some tips on how I would do this if I were you. But this quarter in Q3 is freedom through productivity. And it's how to gain a better sense of self-accomplishment through production without feeling like you're always busy. And the main thing that I have learned doing these quarterly themes is I apply a quarterly theme around the thing that I believe my team needs the most. And so I don't just pick something like random a rabbit out of the hat. I don't do that. I try to make it that it's applicable, something that I feel would be the greatest return on investment of time for my people. And so as far as how do I decide on that theme, I use a lot of material. I read a lot of books. I'll listen to podcasts and watch YouTube videos that are around influencers and speakers in industries and spaces that I connect with. And a lot of times I pull ideas from that. And then I'll take that raw idea and then I'll custom build it around, MoveUp and what we need in the business. And you can do the same thing, right? It usually takes me a couple hours to put this together at the beginning of the quarter, and I roll it out right away. The very first Monday of the quarter, the new theme comes out, and people know about it now. People get excited about hearing what the new quarterly theme is. It's a big part of our development program in our company. So what you can expect, I believe, out of your culture is you're going to see, one, that you have exponential growth in the development of the skills and knowledge of your people. If you're the smartest person in the room as an owner, you're not building your business right. And so I never want to be the smartest guy. I just want to be the best at connecting with people. I want way smarter people than me inside the business, working on the business, and I just want to be a conduit. I just want to connect people and connect opportunities with people. So as far as where to apply these quarterly themes, I'm still learning a lot about that. I mean, you can tell my first one was around momentum. The next one was around taking action, going the extra mile, productivity. So I try to base, and when I talk about these, I don't just talk about work, okay? I talk about their life. Like, I talk about life. So it's not just how to be more productive at work. It's how to be more productive in your marriage, in relationships with your kids, in your health, in your faith, your finances. So we hit all areas, and that's why people connect so much with it, because we're developing people's lives, not just careers. I believe that if we help them live a successful life, they will build a successful career and stay with us for a long time. Retention is so valuable. It's one of the greatest assets in your business. Retaining the talent you have, good, really strong talent. And so I believe this is just one way to do it. It doesn't really cost you a dime except some time and caring, right? So a little bit of thought process, a little bit of time, and really caring about the people inside of your organization. So I hope this was helpful. If you guys have questions about this stuff, drop a comment below. I would be more than happy to talk to you about like what theme you should do, and like, hey, this is what I'm struggling with the most. What theme could I do that would help elevate my team this quarter? Like, drop that stuff below. I'll help you out. And then, as always, give us a subscribe. If you want more valuable information like this, the gold nuggets that come up, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.